How to be pro in 8 ball pool. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to be pro in 8 ball pool. So without any delay, let's start the video. Master the basics. Understand ball types. Know the difference between solid and strips. Once you pocket a ball, that type is assigned to you. Focus on the 8 ball. Remember that after pocketing all your balls, the objective is to pocket the 8 ball last. Learn to control ball. Practice your aim using the guideline. Drag your finger to position and cue correctly and take your time to aim precisely at the target ball. Practice power control. Adjust power. Use the power bar on the left side of the screen to control the strength of your shots. Plan ahead. Always plan your next shot. And these are some ways you can get pro in 8 ball pool. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.